Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. This is Kanak and today we are going to learn about an interesting topic, prepositions. So prepositions are the function words or group of words that are placed before a noun and a pronoun, and they show the position, location, time, direction, etc. Now let us discuss about prepositions in detail. So there are three types of prepositions: prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and prepositions of direction. We will discuss about all of these prepositions in detail. Let's get started. First of all, prepositions of place and position. The prepositions used to indicate the position or the location of a person or a thing are known as prepositions of place and location. Here are a few examples. The children are still in the playground. The school is on the Mayfair Road. The picture is kept on the table. The guests are waiting near the RV hall. The scroll is below the table. So all these prepositions in, on, near, below are showing us or indicating us the position or the location of a person or a thing. And here are some more prepositions of place: in, at, on, below, above, under, next to, by, beyond, across, among. So now let us move on to prepositions of time. So I hope all of you understood these. Now we will move on to prepositions of time. So first of all, what do you remember when you talk about time? What comes in your mind when you talk about the word time? So time is a specific period when something or something is happening or has happened or will happen. So they are used to indicate a specific period of time. Here are a few examples like I will meet you at 5. So what does the preposition at show you? That at a specific period someone I'm going to meet. You should study until you finish your homework. My birthday is on 7th October. I cook during the weekend. I will call you after my lunch. So all these prepositions are indicating the specific period when something is happening or something has happened or when something will happen. Some more prepositions of time: by, until, till, on, at, after, before, to, from, since, during. Prepositions of direction. So prepositions of directions are the words that denote the direction or the movement of a person or a thing. Like Nina is driving to Mumbai. So where is Nina driving to? Mumbai. So this preposition to is indicating the direction where Nina is driving to. Raghu is walking along the fence. I go to school by bus. The earth goes around the sun. Bob and Jack went up the hill. So all these prepositions denote the direction or the movement of a person or a thing where he, she or it is going. So here are some more prepositions of direction: at, across, against, along, around, into, through, off, onto, down, over, up to, down, from, into. So now I hope all of you understood prepositions of direction and the examples which I have explained. So thank you everyone. Take care